Hello viewer, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show how to add or import shapefile in Google Earth Engine. You can see I have added Birbhum district shapefile in Google Earth Engine, and we can import the shapefile in code editor section like this, right? So I'll show you how we can edit any shapefile, right? So it is very easy. Just it is a Google Earth Engine code editor. So here we have to select the code editor, then we can see this one. This is a code editor section. So here you can find one asset section here, asset. And under this asset, you can find a new button here. Then if you click a new button, then you can upload image as a GeoTIFF file. Then you can upload the table using the shape and CSV file. So I'll upload today shape files. Okay, just click over there, shape file. Then needed this allowed extension. This is most important part. See this one. See this allowed extension, right? So we cannot upload anything here. If you see the here the shapefile, this is my shapefile Andhra Pradesh state shapefile. So I'll upload this shapefile here. So remember, it is most important thing. Which supporting file we should upload here? See, shapefile is a SC supported product. So a shapefile is not a single file, right? Instead of that, it consists of several files. Like it's a main file .hsp. It conserves the geometry of the shape. Then it is a dbf file. It conserves the database of the shape file. It is prj file. So it's a position file. And sasx. That's when it's an index file. So these four are more important file. .dpa, prg, then .hsp and sasx. So we can upload these four thing. But here you can see .hsp is allowed, GIF allowed, dbf allowed, then prj, sasx also allowed, sbn also allowed. So you can upload these five things. Okay, sbx, but you cannot upload here the sbx. You can upload the sbn, okay, in a single zip file. So now just select it one by one, and prj, then sbn, sasx and sasp and sasx. You cannot select this sbx, then it will show the error, right? Then compress as a zip file, right? This is Andhra Pradesh. So I'll upload this in Google Earth Engine code editor section. Just select, and here you can find here Andhra Pradesh, and just open it. Okay, you can assign name here, then upload it. It will take time, but it will upload here. See, uploaded. Running browser, it's working. It will take time. It will take 2 or 3 minutes. So main thing is that when you upload any shapefile, you have to upload other four things, right? Position, database, .sasx and .sbn. These five files you have to upload together as a zip file. Then you can use it for Google Earth Engine. So I'll upload series of videos regarding the Google Earth Engine, how you can use a machine learning model also. I'll show you. It is very easy, but I'll show you step by step. Okay, so please subscribe my channel, then you can get the notification. So see here the view asset. So if you click here the view asset, it's uploading. You can directly copy this table ID. See, this is Andhra Pradesh. So we can directly import here. Like we can directly import here in code editor section. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe my channel.